Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making a house for an elf. And yes, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And let's get started. Now, I'm going to be showing you the house. It's just a normal box. I'm using like a normal box. And I have these little plastic coins. And I just put them right here. I just wanted for decorations. And this little Santa, I drew it. And that's a little table. And that's the door, mini door. That's not really opens. I made it by myself. And here's gonna be the bed, you see. Bed. It says bed on it. So let's get started for our decoration. Yeah, decoration. I'm gonna be making some things too. I have like a lot of decorations that I'm gonna be putting in my house. And I have scissors, colorful pen, and a pencil. That's all what we need. And I have a red paper, color paper, and just normal white. I just like these colors because the elf have white and the elf have most red, but still. Let's get started. So first, one thing I really want to show you is this. My mom printed it for me from a printer that I have. That's like the yoga, everything an elf do. I'm gonna read some of them too. Child, chair, handstand, and triangle, and cobra. Then that's all things I have. I'm gonna put it right here. It's like the elf yoga thing. So let's start decorations. So this is the bed I made. It's very hard because it's just my notebook. I just covered it like that. And I'm gonna put it right here. It's also white. So I got all my things that I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put this little carpet right here next to the bed, and then I'm gonna put this little thingy, a little tumbachka, right there, and this little elf Dobby. Is it this dog? This dog named Elf Dobby. It's an elf too. I made a hat for him. Yeah. That's his hat. I mean, his bed, yeah, his bed. It's his bed, I made it by myself too. I'm gonna put it right here. Right here. Under this table. And there's like all plates and, you know. They're gonna go right here under the table too. It almost fell. That's very bad. I had a good catch. So, yeah, let's put it all really quickly back where it was. And, I'm gonna take my thing. This is the food and this is the water. That's all for the, dog. Yeah. That I'm gonna use this plate. I'm gonna put it like right here and right here. And I do this quickly. It'll take a long time. And I'm gonna put it right there. Right there. Thing. It's squishy. I don't know why I took it. Like, pretend I'm building a house. Like like if I have something on tape like this little, it goes bad because it was on a lot of times. And like pretend I'm gonna put this right here, and it doesn't stick. I'm gonna put it right there. If it doesn't, if it's like this, on one side. Okay, it doesn't work this way. So let's put this little carpet right here. So the elf gonna be like standing and eating something right here. Little drink for the elf. He loves this drink. Like that's his favorite. And let's put this little bed. That's like a baby. And yeah, gotta tell you, elf has a baby. I know it sounds weird, but still. I just wanted him to have a baby. That's a little baby. I'm not showing this. It's not so cute. That's the baby. And put it back right here. Done. I got the baby. And this little hat. And this is a elf. That's the baby's name. He is an elf also. Elf Lucy. I'm not gonna put the hat on because he's gonna be like laying down. And I'm putting the hats all right here. And this the dog hat too. I'm gonna just put it like this way. 2 hats in a row. Dog. Putting the dog right here. That's a little pillow he has on the bed. Right here. That's a little pillow. Yeah, that's a little cup. He's always drinking the little drink that he loves from that cup. It's his favorite cup. And I got these little 2 candles. And it's a quartz. Oh no, hats fell. Okay, I'll take them later. And I have these little 2 stars. They're my zakolki. But they're too big. So I decided to just put it like this. It looks cool. Or like this. No. This is much better. The same thing right there. It's pretty. I love it. If you love it, what's that feel like? This little sticker. I don't know what to put. I think like right there, under the baby. Like if it's like wake up, he will look at the kitty. Now let's put the candles on. That's like the light. I call it light because it is like a light. I'm gonna stick them into here. And I have this little plant, and I'm gonna it shakes off. I'm gonna put it back in and put it right here. That's a little like quibbly thing, or like a chair or something, like the baby does. So, this is like a wiggly chair for the baby. Let's put the baby back. And this chair is going to be like here, next to the special. That's a little like a bow for the baby. It looks like this one. It's so cute, right? It's a girl. And, okay, put it back. In one of these shelves. I'm gonna put it right here. here. Like you can like hold like this, and the person will read, hello, you're not invited. And then the elf will shut the door because like what if in the morning it do is it. Yeah, these are gonna be right there. And this little box, I don't know what to put in. But this little cup and this little knife is going right here where all the plates and forks and knives and everything. And we have these 3 things. And we're done for today. Don't forget to put a thumbs up on my channel, on my whole channel. And I will have another video from the elves. I'm gonna be opening the elves and put the elves in the thing. And before I say bye to you, I want to say you that if you touch the elves won't like have magical like whatever they do. Yeah, and like if you put cinnamon around, like pretend that's the elf. If you put like the cinnamon around like a circle, the elf will have his magic back. So you can touch it how much you want, but like the elf won't have any magic at that time. And it will have magic if it will have his magic back if you put like a circle of cinnamon. Not a lot, a little bit. And that's all for today. And I'm gonna be next video, when I get my elf, I'm gonna be starting video with you. And the next chapter gonna be when I get my elf. I'm gonna be opening my elf, and you're gonna be looking like how I'm gonna be putting on the bed and stuff, and you'll see. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to put the thumbs up